Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the first in a series of 25 videos that I'll be doing where I'll be unboxing days of advent calendars and posting them like the first day one on December 1st and so on and so forth. I am gonna take a little bit more time in the first video just to explain what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and show you the calendars before I really dig into them. So I'm doing it now, it's in November, mid-November, and I'm donating all of the contents to a nonprofit in Provo. They're called QueerMeals, and I have a friend who does a lot of work with them. And I'll put a link in the description box down below, and we'll just post this. What they say is, life in Provo can be overwhelming for the LGBTQ community. Because of this, there are many groups in Provo that serve the LGBTQ community. QueerMeals is simply one more. We're open 24/7 to folks who need a safe space to visit, sit, and decompress, where their pronouns will be respected and their individual paths will be cherished. And I'm donating all of the contents to there. I know there are a lot of people who don't have a lot of resources and who would love something fabulous. So I'm gonna open all of these and talk about them with you. I won't be doing any swatching because I'm gonna be giving everything away. But I think I'll still be able to give you a really good idea of what the contents are. So this is the first calendar. It retails or retailed for $49.95. I got it at Ulta in the US, and I got it, I think, for 20% off, and it is 25 days. So different from the Ciate calendar last year where there were nail polishes and other products, I do believe these are going to be all nail polishes. Next one is from NYX, and this retailed for $55, has 24 days of beauty, and they're all kind of in order here. Here's one, here's 24. Last year I think was all lips, so curious to see what's inside of this one. Next is the Body Shop. This is the mid-size one. There was a large one and also a smaller one. This retailed for $70, and I also got this on a discount at Ulta. And these I'm seeing are all different sizes and are all kind of around, so it'll be a bit of a treasure hunt to find where each of these are. Next is Look Fantastic. This retails for $115, and I think I got this for 10% off. This has doors kind of all around and all different sizes, so very curious to dig into this. And this has also 25 days. So some have 24, some have 25. And this one is kind of the biggie. This is Space NK, and this retailed for $250. And I think it's supposed to have $600 worth of product in here. You're supposed to open it up vertically, which is why I've done this. And yes. Oh, and there's a 25 in here also. I see right over there that there's a 25. So these are the 5 calendars that I'll be opening this year. Just wanted to give you kind of an overview of what they look like before I dig in. Oh, and then also for all of these, I'm gonna leave the camera up here so you can see my excited expression when I unbox everything. So first I'll go into the Nutcracker calendar, the OPI calendar. And again, these are like little tabby things. The first one is, and these are all going to be nail polishes. I did this last year with Ciate, and all of those were a little bit different. Most were nail polishes, but some were actually other things like nail treatments and that kind of a thing. This is Alpine Snow, it's day 1. Next, I will open the NYX Sugar Trip calendar, and I did ruin my nails last year. It's probably gonna happen again. This is interesting. Pop and Rock highlighter. Oh, that's pretty. And again, won't be doing any swatches, but I'm a little tempted to. I won't do it, but I like that. I don't know that I've seen that before. Next is the Body Shop. And again, this is the mid-size. There's a smaller one and a larger one. And this is not in order. This I have to look for. There we go. Oh, and this is a strawberry shower gel. So this is nice. Nice size too. All right, then the Feel Unique calendar. This is drawer number 1 in that. And it feels like a palette. What is this? HD Brows. Contour and Color Pro palette. So it's from HD Brows, but it's not a brow kit. Oh, and this is nice. It's a decently sized palette with a giant mirror. So someone will really like this. And then last, but certainly not least, I'm expecting probably the most fantabulous products from Space NK. Oh, and this is a candle. The back of it says Shimmering Spice. I haven't even opened it yet, but the back of the box says Shimmering Spice. And it smells like that cinnamony kind of holiday scent. So this is nice. Someone will really You could even just keep this around. I mean, burning it is nice, but you could also just keep it around. So yeah, that is day 1. There are 24 more days to go, so stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.